In the predictions of the year 2050, devastation. The remaining rainforest annihilated. 20% less oxygen added to 1 billion or more additional people yields a potentially negative supply of oxygen, this being only one of the many results of this act. The oxygen of one tree supports the lives of 2 humans.
If every person on this earth, all 6 billion of us, refrained from wasting only 1 sheet of paper in their lifetime, we could save approximately 720,000 trees. That is 1,440,000 lives saved, almost the population of Philadelphia.
Think before you print. For more information, visit the websites below.